9-1, draw and identify the reflection of an image in the coordinate plane. Number 1, ask us to graph the polygon and its image after reflection in the given line. Number A, the line of reflection that is given is going to be the y-axis, so let's label that and draw that here as well. The y-axis is in this direction. That means that this polygon is going to be reflected across there. I'm going to do the next image in the color green. Notice that the A is 1 unit away from the line of reflection right here. So its new image is also going to be 1 line away from it as well. So this is going to be where A prime is. Now C, it's 1, 2, 3 units away. So its new image is also going to be 1, 2, 3 units away. So this is going to be where C prime is. B looks like it is 1, 2, 3, 4 units away. So as well as it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to be a little bit off. So it's right here. That's going to be B prime. Now connected right here as well. Okay, that would be the new image. Notice that the A here was the value of 1, 2. And the new image, here, let me color code this for you. A, originally the point was 1, 2. And then if you look at A prime, it is -1, 2. So notice here, for when it is a reflection over the y-axis, the x value changes. Hopefully you see that by looking at the points there. Next, here it says the reflection is over the x-axis. So let's draw that here. This is the x-axis. And that's where the line's going to be reflected from. Like before, the reflection is the same distance to the line of reflection. So B is 1, 2 away. So its new image is also going to be 1, 2 away. This is where B prime would be. C looks like it's 1, 2, 3 away. So it's 1, 2, 3 away. This is where C prime would be. D looks like it's 1, 2 units away. So it's 1, 2 units away. D prime. A goes up 1. So it's going to be up 1 here. This is where A would be. Now connected. Good. Let's label a point to see it. Here we had the point of -1, 2. The new point here was -1, -2. So -1, -2. So we notice when we reflect it over the x-axis that the y value is what changes. Okay. Next, let's do y equals to x. Okay, y equals to x. It is defined by this line here. Okay, this is the line of y equals to x. Notice it's going to be the same distance across as it's going to be here. So it's really hard to see diagonally, right? It's really hard for you to count like this. Do you see that? You would have to do that, then this, right? So it's actually better to remember the rule. What is the rule for this? All this really means is that the x and y value switches. Okay. I spelled that wrong. Switches. Okay. That's what it means. So that's all you really have to do. So let me grab all the original points here first. So B looks like it is 1, -2. C here looks like it's 4, 1. A, it is 6, -3. Now all we have to do is switch the values. So the new value for B prime would be -2, 1. So this is -2, 1. Do you see how it switches? Okay. Next, it is 1, comma 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is 1, comma 4. And the next one would be negative 3, comma 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is negative 3, comma 6. Notice all the x and y value switches. Okay, let me just now connect this neatly. Okay, right, and that would be a perfect reflection over y equals to x. Next, the x equals to 2 part. This is very difficult to see, so let's make sure we know where x equals to 2 is. So x equals to 2 is this line here, because that is where the value of x is 2. Okay, you want to reflect it. There's really no rule here because this is not over a specific axis, so you would just have to manually count like before. So b is 1 unit away, so its reflection will also be 1 unit away. This is where b prime would be. C would be 1, 2, 3, 4 units away. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 units away. C prime. D looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units away. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units away. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just have to eyeball it, right? It's a little bit off in terms of the axes. So then now we can just connect it. There you go. That would be its reflection over x equals to 2. So there you go. These are the ways that you can reflect.